Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. I'm excited to show you my newest listing here at 8 Cranston Court in the sought-after Five Forks area of Simpsonville. This beautiful waterfront home is a ranch style with a full basement, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's a split floor plan. Inside you have gorgeous hardwood floors that flow from the foyer into the living room, dining room, kitchen, and the hallways. You have the master bedroom on one side, 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom on the other side. Master suite has an awesome ensuite bathroom with double sinks, separate shower, garden tub, and a walk-in closet. Kitchen has granite countertops and a pantry closet as well. 10-foot ceilings on the inside. In the living room, you have a gas log fireplace. There's a deck on the main level, patio on the bottom level. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.